Oh, look! What a strange device with a sleeping dolphin inside. Meet Flipper Zero. At first sight, it looks like a cute Tamagotchi, but actually, it's a multi-tool for hackers. Flipper can handle various radio protocols, access control systems, and directly interact with hardware. Flipper has its own personality. It grows while you hack stuff around and gets angry when you don't. Built-in sub-1 GHz module can both transmit and receive signals on most IoT frequencies. It can control lots of wireless devices, like garage doors and barriers, radio switches, and even more. For detecting unknown remotes, Flipper has a signal scanner that can analyze and save signals. Flipper Zero supports RFID and iButton tags. No more need to keep all your office and building keys. Flipper can store hundreds of RFID cards and contact keys in its memory. Just select one you need from the menu to emulate it. Flipper also helps to protect your ass, acting as U2F security token for two-factor authentication. It works with any U2F-enabled services like Gmail, Dropbox, Facebook, and others. Tired of boring stuff on public TVs? Well, now you can fix it. With an infrared eye, Flipper can simulate any infrared remote. Built-in library of popular brands remotes gives you instant control of any situation. Since Flipper's brain is open source, you can write your own plugins with full access to built-in hardware. Just use your favorite environment, such as Arduino IDE or VS Code. No drivers required on all platforms. To give you even more power, Flipper has programmable GPIO pins, so you can connect it directly to any hardware, as well as extend it with modules. Flipper can act as a virtual keyboard device to do some fun stuff. You could write your own payloads and then play them on a target computer. Well, we don't need to explain what you can do with this feature. And of course, Flipper Zero has its own revolutionary blockchain platform, and we call it Flipcoin. Just kidding. Flipper is for real. No bullshit in this project. In its core, Flipper Zero is a versatile tool for everyday hacking on the go and learning new stuff along with your cyber friend that will never let you down.